How to use Claro Investment Goals Tracker app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people assume Claro is just a simple tracker, but the surprising truth is beginners often miss opportunities to plan and optimize their investments. Here's how to use Claro properly. Claro helps track savings, investments, and financial goals in one place. The first mistake is not setting clear goals. Without defining objectives like retirement, home purchase, or emergency funds, tracking loses its purpose. Be specific with amounts and timelines. The second mistake is ignoring account integration. Claro provides a complete view only when all accounts, bank, investment, and loans are linked. Partial integration leads to inaccurate insights. Another common error is neglecting periodic reviews. Beginners often set goals and forget them. Regular check-ins allow adjustments to contributions, allocations, or timelines based on performance. Beginners also overlook alerts and recommendations. Claro can notify you about shortfalls, milestones, or potential optimizations. Ignoring these features reduces its effectiveness. Finally, not considering risk and diversification in goal planning is a mistake. Even when tracking progress, ensure your investments match your risk tolerance to avoid unexpected losses. Used correctly, Claro is more than a tracker, it's a financial planning tool. Set clear goals, link all accounts, review regularly, enable alerts, and align investments with risk. Avoiding these mistakes helps you stay on track and reach financial objectives efficiently.